came here, I didn't know about English. I can't speak, and then I was just like, what they were talking about.
Yeah.
And I was just stand there. And then, yeah. And then I think my English improved very much. And the homestay, and then I enjoy to go like out to do some activities with my homestay.
Yeah.
And then and I enjoyed went to somewhere else with my homestay, like Santa Parade.
Okay.
Yeah, last year, and then this year I will go to Santa Parade too, and then I
So
saw,
you've seen that twice.
yes, and there's Sophie's in Korean dance.
Yeah.
Sophie,
Korean dance.
yeah,
Okay.
in Merit School.
Yeah.
And then she will be there in Santa Parade.
Yeah. So she was.
Yeah,
She
and
was.
she will.
Oh, she will.
Yeah.
So when is the Santa Parade this year?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
It's
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So are you going?
No.
No. Yes. No. Yes. You're going.
Yes.
And what did you enjoy most?
Playing with my friends.
Okay. And what kind of play?
Like we played bus tag last year. We played like bus tag.
Bus tag.
Yeah. We did last year.
What is that?
Like catching people. Yeah.
Do you use any instrument or any equipment to do that?
Well,
Just touch.
yeah.
Ah. So when you go back to Korea, what are you going to do?
Study.
Study, and then
And then
do you have any plan for yourself?
I want to learn more about flute
Okay.
and piano.
Mm-hmm.
And
As a hobby or for your profession?
as a hobby.
As a hobby.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.